Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your science class and welcome to your final term. So we will going to start our final term with the unit number 3, kinds of plants. So students, today we will going to do the reading and explanation of this unit. So kindly open your book, page number 19. Plants. Mostly plants are green. Green plants can make their own food. They need air, water, and sunlight to make food. As all of you know that plants are the living things. Plants include familiar types of such as trees, herbs. There are different kinds of plants. Mostly plants grow in the ground and they have stem, root, and they need water. So plant needs sunlight, air, water, and the warmth to grow. We see different kinds of plants around us. Each plant different from each other in size, shape, color, smell, place of growth. Plants grow on land as well as in water. They grow in cold places also and in hot places also. So there are different types of plant and we will read different types of plant in this unit. But first of all we will read what the plant needs to grow. So they need water, air, sunlight to grow. In order to grow plant needs several things. The most important one is warmth. Just like we need the warmth from our parents. Same, the plants need the warmth from the sun. You must have seen that almost nothing grow in a very cold places. Mostly the plants grow where there are some sunlight, good sunlight, and they need water supply. A very few plants can survive without water, but mostly plants need water. Plants need good soil also. The good soil to put their roots firmly and grow. When the soil is not good, the root cannot make their place. So these things are the very important part for the plant growth. So I will give you some example. Take the example of a sunny beach. The beach is warm. There is plenty of water over there. The loose soil. Still not many plants grow on the beach. Why? The beach soil has no food for the plant. The plants need to grow in places where other plants have died. These old plants get dried and the wind and rain make a powder out of them, and these powder are called their food, and these food are called the fertilizer. So the good soil is very important for the plant growth. Now in the picture you can see there is a plant and the roots are in the soil. You need a good soil. They need water, they need air, they need a proper sunlight to plant grow. So there are many different types of plants. So first of all we will read parts of the plant. So there are different main parts of the plant. So first of all we will read about the roots. The root grows in the soil. They sucks water and mineral from the soil. You can see in this picture, these are the roots of tree. The more the plant get older, the root become more stronger. So the root absorb water and mineral from the soil and anchor the plant in the ground. Root fix the plant in the soil. You can see this in the picture. The root fix the plant into the soil and hold the plant in the ground and take in water and nutrients for the plant growth. In the last picture, you can see that slowly when the plant is growing, the roots are also getting strong and bigger. Stem. The stem grow above the soil. Leaves and flower grow on the stem. The stem takes water and mineral from the roots to the stem. So, the stem holds up the plant's part above the ground and has tiny tubes to transport water and nutrients to the plant's part. Stem or trunk are all so different and they each hold up all these plants' part. The stem holds the leaf, the flower, the trunk holds all the branches of the tree. Now in this picture you can see there's a stem which is breakable with our hand and it's gather all the leaves of the plant. And this is the stem of a tree and we cannot break this trunk with our hand. This is so strong. This is the woody stem. And this stem is with a flower. It is breakable. And some stem we eat like celery, sugarcane, asparagus. These stems we eat. This stem is also a woody stem, but we can break it easily. So some stems are easy to break and some we cannot break. Green leaves make food for the plants. So leaves make food for the plant, that is sugar, and take in carbon dioxide through tiny opening in the leaves. As all of you have learned before, the photosynthesis process, when the leaf is green, the green substance make food for the plant. As the stems support the plant above the ground and carries the water and the mineral to the leaves, so the leaf make the food with the help of sunlight. Flowers make fruit which have seeds inside them. So flowers come in all colors, shapes and sizes and have sweet smell to attract insects to visit them. Many plants have flowers to help them make seeds. A flower is of different color. They have different seeds. Now this is the sunflower seed. So some seeds we can eat them. Fruits have seeds. Flowers are colorful. Flowers have also seeds. Now look, this is the pomegranate tree and the flower have a seed and then slowly the fruits come from it. There are different fruits which comes from the flower's seed. So these are the important parts of the plant: roots, stem, green leaves, flower. Perfumes from a plant. Have you ever heard about it? Perfumes from the flower? I hope you know about it. Sweet smelling flowers like rose, jasmine are used to make perfume. As I have told you earlier that flower make the very attractive smell that different kinds of insects or bird will visit. The fragrance is the mixture of a compound that a plant produces, which is often strongest in the flower petals. Have you ever smelled the rose? And the petal of the roses, they are so soothing and they have so strong smell So these flower petal is used to make a scent. The perfume we use, and the jasmine is the queen of the fragrance. The jasmine flower is the queen of the fragrance because this scent is so soothe and refresh that they call jasmine queen of a fragrance. There are so many other flowers, lavender and etc. that used in making perfume. They used in also in home fragrance sprays to make the ambience smooth and refresh. I hope you have understood all the points in this topic and you find this topic very interesting. So students, kindly read this page number 19 and 20 by yourself again. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.